Hello UKG kids, welcome to today's session. Children, as you know, our next exam is GK conversation. Okay, so in this video we are going to revise all chapters in GK from 1 to 15. First we will revise chapter first. Okay, the name of our first chapter is, you can see on the screen, is A Day in School. Children, in this chapter some questions are given, so I will ask the questions from the given questions, like in which school do you read, then you will answer I read in St. Global School. Okay, and what is your principal's name, then you will answer my principal's name is Shweta ma'am. Okay, now see the next chapter, children, in the classroom. So children, in this chapter I will ask the question like how many things have you seen in your classroom. आपने अपने क्लासरूम में क्या क्या चीज़ देखी हैं. सो यू हैव टू नेम एनी 5 थिंग्स विच यू हैव सीन इन योर क्लासरूम. ओके, सो दिस वे you will revise chapter 2. Now come to the chapter 3, is parts of the body. Children, in this chapter you have to learn the name of all your body parts like eyes, nose, ears, head, lips. Okay, now children, we are going to revise chapter 4, which is sense organ. Children, as you know that we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. So children, you have to learn the name of all 5 sense organs and their work also. Okay children, now come to the chapter 5, which is colors. Children, in this chapter, as you can see, there are the 10 questions are given. So I will ask the questions which are given in the book. Okay, जो भी आपके बुक्स में क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं मैं उन्हीं से आपसे क्वेश्चन करूँगी. ओके, कम टू द चैप्टर 6, which is shapes. Children, I will ask the question from this chapter like I will show you the shapes. मैं आपको shapes को दिखाऊंगी, then you have to recognize them. आपको recognize करके उनकी name को बताना है, like circle, and then I will show you the rectangle, then you have to tell ma'am it is a rectangle. Okay, this way you will answer me. Children, come to the chapter 7. In this chapter you have to learn any 5 fruits name with the spelling. Okay, and all 4 question answer which are given in the book. Okay, now come to the next chapter, which is vegetables. In this chapter you have to learn any 2 underground vegetable, any 2 above the ground vegetable, and any 2 leafy vegetable, and also you have to learn the king of the vegetable. Okay, which is brinjal. आपको इस तरह से इसको लर्न करना है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, कम टू द चैप्टर नंबर 9, which is our food. Children, in this chapter you have to learn one example of the given food, like 1 wheat dish, 1 rice dish, 1 milk product. Okay, 1 sweet dish. So this way you have to learn this chapter. So children, now come to the chapter number 10. The name of chapter 10 is domestic animals and their babies. So you have to learn animals and their babies and the question answer which are given in the end of the chapter. जो चैप्टर के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दिए हैं वो भी आपको लर्न करने हैं. ओके, नाउ कम टू द चैप्टर 11, which is pet animals and their babies. So children, there are 4 pet animals are given with their young ones, so you have to learn all 4. Okay, now chapter 12, wild animal and their babies. So children, you have to learn any 5 wild animal with their young ones. Okay, and you also have to learn which is our national animal. Answer will be the tiger. Tiger is our national animal. And which animal is the king of the jungle? So lion is the king of the jungle. Okay, now come to the chapter number 13, which is sounds of animals. So children, in this chapter I will ask the 5 animal sound, like dog barks, lion roars, a cow mows, a duck quacks, and a cat mews. Now come to the chapter number 14, which is water animal. So children, in this chapter you have to learn the questions given in the book. Okay, जो भी आपकी बुक में questions दिए हुए हैं आपको उन्हें learn करना है. Now children, let's come to the chapter number 15, homes of the animal. Okay, so you have to learn where does a dog live, where does a horse live, where does a rabbit live, where does a monkey live, and where does a lion live. Okay, so children, this way you will complete chapter 15. Okay, so children, this way you have to revise all your GK questions from the book. Now come to the conversation. So you have all your conversation questions in your syllabus and in the previous videos. So you have to see the videos and learn all the conversation questions. Okay, so do it well. Thank you kids. Bye bye.